Good morning everyone, it's Artist from N Carpentry. We'll show you our next job which we're doing. So this is the kitchen we built now a while ago. Unfortunately it wasn't on the channel because we just started making these videos, but I can show you quickly what we've done and what we're going to be doing. This is utility. So what we're going to be doing, we'll be taking these out because they're low level, and we'll be building two tall ladder units, and we will be fitting them in here. And then to do that, what we need to do is take this part out, cut it back here, because otherwise it won't be enough space. And then we possibly be doing wall hung units here above the sink just to create a bit more space. And in these spaces where the ovens are, we're gonna have some drawers to make. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing, and I hope you enjoy it, and we'll catch up with you soon.
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish.
Hi everyone, it's Artist from N Carpentry. Just catching up what we've done. So we built these two units to house oven, microwave and a warming drawer, which has come, which is there. So now we're gonna start framing it. I'm just doing last cuts in the garage. And yeah, we start coming together this. So then we got this here, which I forgot to mention, which will be done in the same manner. We're going to put a frame here, same here, head, bottom, and then two tall doors. No cornice on this one, it will be like just put under, so archer will be finishing basically off, and there will be a little step detail here on the frame, so I'll mimic that measurement. So yeah, that's where we are at the moment. I think we're doing that as well. We found out we can, because there's no really cables or anything which could be in our way. And then also clients have decided to take these down, and yeah, so we'll be doing that sometime, I assume. So yeah, hope you're enjoying it, and catch up with you soon.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the better truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better you. You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texted when I look away?